Now it is Pteridophyta. What is Pteridophyta? Pteridophyta is a modern cryptogam species of plant kingdom. It is also called the vascular cryptogams. Now, I represent the alternation of genus of pteridophytes. It is here. The main body of this organisms is sporophyte. That is here. It is the root. The root are found in this type of plant bodies, and it is the stem. This stem is the underground modified stem is called rhizome. That is rhizome. Root. The upper surface of rhizomes is covered with the brown hair structure that is called ramenta, and the arrangement of ramenta on the surface of rhizome is like the tail of dog. It is the arrangement of peculiar shapes of ramenta is called sarcinate vernation. And it is the leaf portions. The compound leaves, all the leaves are the unit leaves, leaflets. It is called the sporophyll. Sporophyll. The main plant body is twin, that is adult sporophyte, and sporophyll is, that is twin, and the dorsal part, the lower part of sporophyll can carry the nodulate structure, that is it is called sorus, twin, and each and every sorus can produce, that is the sorus structure, and here many sporangium is found. Sporangium. And in that is sporangiophore, and each sporangiophore produced the spore cell. That is twin, and hence the meiosis cell division takes place in the spore cells. And produce the spore tetrad. It is haploid part. Four number of haploid cells present in spore tetrad. And each spore can produce the heart-shaped structure of gametophyte, adult gametophyte. That is called prothallus. This in here the rhizoid species and the antheridial mother cells and archegonial mother cells are found in the gametophytic body. That is archegonium in antheridium, that is archegonium, in that is antheridium, it produce the sperm, in produce the ovum, that is N, and the sperm meet into the ovum at the watery medium. So the fertilization can take place, and the twin zygote is formed, and it germinated and produces protonema, that is twin, and further the main plant bodies, that is the sporophyte, is produced from the zygote as protonema. That is the alternation of generations of the pteridophytes. So the main features are here represent that the main bodies is sporophyte, sporophyll is present, the root system is present, and vascular system is present. So it is called the vascular cryptogams, and the stem structures, stems is undergone modified stem, is called the rhizome, and the ramenta is present. It is brown in color, and the certain vertebration is the arrangement of ramenta. The sporophyll is twin type, and sporophyll produces the sporas is twin type. Sporas produces the sporangium is twin type, and sporangiophore is the twin type, is formed from the sporangium, and the spore mother cell is formed from the sporangiophore, and After meiosis cell division, the spore mother cells can produce the spore tetrads, that is the haploid set. It is the first cells of gametophytic generations, and the main gametophyte plant body is formed, that is called prothallus, and in this prothallus the antheridium and archegoniums are separated and shows their extensions, and the sperm is formed from the antheridium and ovum is formed from the archegoniums, and they meet with each other at the water medium and produces the zygote. It is the first cell of the sporophytic generation. So all the features is represented here. Now the Pteridophyta is divided into 4 separate divisions. That is Xylopsida, Phytopsida, and Lagopsida, next Sphenopsida, and Pteridophyta. So here the division of Pteridophyta. The economic importance of the Pteridophyta is it is the food of some cattle, and it produces some medicinal plants and some medicines from this type of medicinal plants. Now the next part of plant kingdom is Gymnosperm, that is the phanerogams. Gymnosperm. Gymnosperms are 3 divisions, that is Pteridophyta, Psychopsida, and Coniferopsida. Here the seeds are produced, but any type of fruit is not produced in this type of group of organisms. Now here I represent the organism generations of the species of Gymnosperm, that is Pinus. Pinus, Cycas is the examples of this type of plant bodies. Now, these 2 main parts, that is the main sporophytic parts is here we present that is Pinus. There are 2 roots are covered with the fungal ineptium, that is the called mycorrhiza. There are 2 types of mycorrhiza present, is the endotropic mycorrhiza and exotropic mycorrhiza, and the stem is 2 types, that is the long shoot and a dwarf shoot, and a leaf has 2 types, that is the scaly leaf and the foliage leaf. Here, that is the branches of stem, that is the persistent type of branches is called the along shoot, which cannot abolish at the stages of blood cycles, but where the dwarf part of shoots found which carry the needle-like leaf, that is the foliage leaf, and after the sometimes this type of shoot is fall down from the long shoots with the foliage leaf. It is called the dwarf shoot, and the scaly leaf also found at the cover of only a long shoot, not the dwarf shoot. And the life cycles, here I tell that first list adult sporophyte, this microsporophyll, that is twin, and megasporophyll, that is twin, and is male cone. Microsporophill conjointly produce the male cone, that is the structure of male cone, and this twin type, and megasporophyll is from the female cone, that is these structures, that is the woody part, but the angle where the male gamete is put and produces the form of fertilizations. Next, male cone and female cone. Male cone produces the microsporangium, twin, that is megasporangium, this twin, megaspore, mother cell, that is twin, microspore, mother cell, that is twin, that is produces the microspore. After the meiosis, cell division, microspore produces the microspore, mother cell produces microspore, that is N, and it produces the megaspore, this N. Microspore produces the male gametophyte, that is N. It produces the female gametophyte, is N. It produces the sperm, it is N. It produces the ovum, that is N, and fertilization take place and formation of zygote. Zygote produces the adult sporophyte. It is the life cycle of gymnosperm bodies. The importance of these plant bodies. The stem is so long and a trunk is found. It is the tree type of plant bodies. That is, all the woody parts can used as the various functional way, and the amber and the resins is form the some of the type of these plant bodies, that is pinus, etc. And the resins can used as the making of phenyl and the germ destroying materials. So here I repeat the total part of gymnosperms. Now I repeat here the angiosperm. What is angiosperm? Angiosperm where now I remember the previous part, that is a gymnosperm, where the male gamete is with wings, that is the yellow wings, and it is flying and reach into the female cone, and this flying of the male gamete, that is yellow wings, is called the sulfur. There are some terms, that is ectopic mycorrhiza, enotopic mycorrhiza, VAM, sulfur rain, male cone, female cone, and after the fertilizations, the single ovule can produces many embryo. It is called polyembryony. It is another term of the gymnosperm species. Now the angiosperm. Angiosperm where the seeds are hidden in the fruits, but gymnosperm where the fruit is not produces, only the seeds produces. Here the seeds are produces. The gymnosperms can show their seeds as the multicotyledony or polycotyledony. Here angiosperms can show their seeds as two types, that is monocotyledony and dicotyledony. Monocotyledony where the leaves venescence is parallel, that is parallel leaf venescence found in monocotyledony, but reticulate leaf venescence found in the dicotyledony. The cotyledon number is the single, that is the monocotyledony. The cotyledon number is double in dicotyledony. Exception case, that is orchid, where the that is the single type of monocotyledon is found and the double number of cotyledon is found. it is endospermic, it is non-endospermic. Exception is orchid where it is non-endospermic, but here it is the endospermic. The exception case of Dicotyledone is the Corchorus capsularis, etc. Now, angiosperm and gymnosperms. Angiosperm is two types, a monocotyledone and dicotyledone. The cotyledons here, where the cotyledon is two, and the embryo axis divided the two cotyledons. Here, the upper part produces from the plumule, and lower part produces and form the radicals. Radicals form of a root and plumules form of the shoot. So all of the part of the plant kingdoms I have represented here. Sure. Bye.